Hello, welcome. Today's video is an unboxing and first impression of a fragrance from Xerjoff. I ordered this fragrance from their website. I used a 10% discount that a famous content creator here on YouTube was offering. I wanted to take advantage of that 10% off. Plus, they were also giving extra samples and a little perfume bottle. I'm gonna show you right now. In this occasion, I ordered Herba Gold. Herba Gold, if I'm not mistaken, was launched to the market in the year 2016, and it was a exclusive fragrance for Selfridges, I think. And in this year 2023 they launched the fragrance worldwide, so this fragrance is now available anywhere where they sell Xerjoff fragrances. And since I don't have Erba Pura, I wanted to try Herba Gold. I was reading that these two fragrances are like sister fragrances, or maybe Herba Gold is a flanker for Herba Pura. I really don't know. I never smelled Herba Pura before, but they say they smell similar, so I decided to order Herba Gold. I think I like the color better. The yellow color. I was reading that the presentation of the bottle previously was a velvet bottle and now is very shiny and different. But the color I think is the same. So this is the box. I really like Xerjoff boxes. I feel bad when I have to recycle them. Here is the fragrance. I ordered a 100 ml bottle. And this is the 4 samples that they give you every time you purchase a full-size bottle. And this is the sample kit they were giving. This is the sample kit that they were giving. Let me show you the ones I ordered first. This is the ones I choose for the purchase of the fragrance. I choose this time Tommy Iommi. I wanted to smell Tommy Iommi Via Cabor one. I think this is a new fragrance from Xerjoff. I wanted to smell Symphonium, and I wanted to smell Alexandria too. I want to smell them. I have a hand cream with the fragrance of Alexandria too. And I really like the hand cream. I really like the smell. So I wanted to smell the fragrance to see if I can purchase it in the future. That fragrance is very long lasting, like the hand cream. And this is the kit they were giving with the 10% discount on, I think, on any fragrance. But I think that discount code is already over. I like this package. This is the kit. And I also like the idea that they added the tester slips. I'm not sure if that's the correct name, but these are the little slips. And it smell. They smell. And it comes with a little mini fragrance, and this is Apollonia. This is the Apollonia fragrance, and they added white on white. I think this white on white is also new. And Via Cabor one. I have 2 Via Cabor now. And Erba Gold, that this is the one we are going to smell. We're gonna smell the sample. And Torino 22. Before we continue smelling the fragrance, let me show you the bottle. It comes in a yellow box. And what I was noticing when I did the unboxing is that the packaging or the presentation of this fragrance is different from the others I have unboxed and the other ones I have. This is a little more simple, but I like it. I also like the artistic design inside of the bottle. Um, the bottle is very colorful and I like it. It's very, very shiny. Very shiny. What I don't, Xerjoff fragrances are very, very luxurious, but I don't know. I'm not sure about this plastic. The fragrance came resting in this plastic bed. This doesn't impress me. I don't know. Xerjoff fragrances are really expensive and beautiful and they smell great. But I don't know. I don't like to see plastic on expensive fragrance. But what I like is the scarf. You see, this is a really nice scarf. I am not sure what material is made of. Let me see. 100% Seta silk, made in Italy. They say this made of silk, so that's good. At least it has a scarf, and the scarf is nice. This is a nice scarf. I like it. I don't like the plastic, but I like the scarf. So the bottle looks really, really nice. The color, as you can see, is yellow. And this is a 100 ml bottle. The letter X is inside the cap. Really, really nice. And the cap is metallic and golden, as you can see. And we are going to be smelling the sample because I don't want to spray the fragrance since I have a sample. So let's smell it and discover it. I think the sample was leaking because it's very, very empty. And the little box smells a lot. But it smells good. Smell good. The box smells very fruity. Like fruity bubble gum. Like a fruity bubble gum. Let me spray it on my skin. Oh, I don't like that it has very little. But this fragrance, it is very fruity. Juicy, sweet. It's extremely sweet. If you do not enjoy sweet, fruity fragrances, you maybe won't like this. But I personally like sweet fragrances that are like this. Very intense, sweet, fruity, tropical. I like it. And I think this fragrance will last. I feel a little bit of citrus, very juicy, very fresh. Fruit, I'm not sure if it has mango. Oh my God, it's so delicious. And I think it has apple because it's very sweet. It feels like an apple, and also I'm not sure if it has passion fruit. Let me read you the note. It mentioned Amalfi lemon, Calabrian bergamot, Brazilian orange, and ginger. Green apple, melon, pear, cloves, Guatemalan cardamom, Madagascar cinnamon, musk, amber, Madagascar vanilla, and woody notes. I still don't smell the woody notes, but I definitely smell the citrus, and this fragrance is very bubble gummy. The bad thing is that I already finished the sample because it was leaking, so I just had a little left. How sad. This fragrance to me smells like a bag of dry, sugary fruit. It's very sweet, very delicious. It's also juicy, it's also fresh, but it's also thick and sweet. And it also feels very bubblegum, like when you eat a those bubblegum balls, and they are really juicy and sweet, and they have a lot of flavor. That's what it comes to my mind with this fragrance. And I thought it had pineapple because I feel the pineapple sweetness, but surprisingly, it doesn't say here that it has pineapple. It does mention green apple, melon, and pear, and also cinnamon, cardamom, moss, and amber. And I still don't know how it will dry down, but so far I am happy with my first impression. I really like Erba Gold. It's super delicious, very fruity, very mouth-watering, delectable, super delicious. Buy a sample first if you can, or test it in the store, in a store near you where this is available if you're trying to buy it. Don't blind buy it because it's very sweet, it's delicious. But you might not like it if you do not enjoy extremely sweet fragrances. I like the design of the box, of the inside of the box, but contrary to the other Xerjoff fragrances that I have, I am not impressed with the packaging. Plastic. But the fragrance is good. I'm glad I have this in my collections. Now I have a fruity fragrance from Xerjoff, and I like it. I do prefer this type of fruity fragrances, the ones that smell like cleaning products or laundry clean. This one doesn't smell like laundry clean. And one more thing, this fragrance is, to me, is unisex, but since I am a woman and I love fruity fragrances, I will say it may be a little feminine. But if you are a man who enjoy fruity fragrances, you might like it. But buy a sample first, because fruity fragrances, these sweets, are more related to women. But every chemistry is different, body chemistry is different. So it probably, maybe it might work on your skin. I know on my husband's skin, sweet fragrances don't combine. His type of fragrances are more like leathery, woody, etc., but not fruity and sweet. So that's why I'm saying this fragrance is very sweet, and you should buy a sample first before committing to a full-size bottle. I am really happy with this unboxing and with all my Xerjoff fragrance samples. That's it for this video. I hope you like it, and if you like it, press the like button. If you like my content, subscribe to my channel. I will see you on my next video. Bye!